I'm here with Sahil from Xten-AV and John from Ricoh. Welcome to IC, guys.
Hi.
Hi. Let's start by talking about AI. AI is really automating a lot of different processes in a lot of different industries. How can we harness the power of AI for AV?
So we have implemented a lot of AI in our Xten-AV platform. We show customers the brands and the products they should use based on their selections, what they're trying to do. And as more and more users use it, the system gets smarter and give better recommendations and take it from there.
The way that we've implemented it with the tools that we've taken from Xten is that it's actually enabled us to be a lot more leaner and efficient in our actual workforce. We can take relative people that are coming up in the journey of their knowledge of their AV. Because the platform uses a VIXA standards behind in some of their algorithms, it can help the user decide based on the AI intelligence in the platform. So it's enabled us to be a lot more smarter and efficient, but it also enables us at the end to add our own IP still from the designers with the know-how. So it's really like coming together of the people that knew how to do things in the beginning, but also using the algorithms in the platform through the AI and the machine learning has made that speed us up. And it's also helping our user base within our own organization become a lot more efficient as well. So it's really good.
And this is just the start, I'm assuming. This is just the introduction of AI into the world of AV.
That is correct, yeah, because AV is more hardware dominated anyways. The software space is very tiny, and there's only a handful number of companies here, and we are the only ones who's implemented any AI, and pretty much a lot of other things no one else is doing.
Yeah, I mean, echo Sahil, I haven't seen any of the other companies here that actually offer this type of automation. You know, the fact that I can build a BOM, I can click some buttons, I use the tool choices, and at the back end of it, the system is kind of generating the drawings automatically, it's building rack layouts, it's recommending the type of technology to use. In the past, you'd have to pay some very expensive people to do that for you. So this is where you should go, everything should be software defined, and yeah, I take my hat off to them. I really commend what they're doing. So.
And it's so on trend because what I'm seeing on my end when I'm talking to big multinational corporations is they're trying to develop a global standard. They're really trying to get to a core room type supplemented by a set number of products that go in it always, no matter the location. And I think Xten-AV is just a natural progression of that, where even if you're not a big MNC, it can try and help you get to a similar global standard.
That is correct. So we promote a lot of, first of all, we promote a VIXA standards, which should be used globally. Bringing everyone and every process up to a standard helps everybody. And we try to keep everything up to standard, and that's our goal, that everyone uses our software to make the designs so it's standardized. And then it could be shared and integrated with other systems because it's a standard.
You said the key word for me, which is governance, right? So for us, I represent a company which is almost like the umbrella company within Ricoh. We have several operating companies across Europe, there's a Ricoh Europe with the umbrella company, then we have Ricoh France, Ricoh Germany, for example, and we have 26 of these operating companies. It allows us to control and give them some guidance down that we should be using these type of products, these type of drawing recommendations, and these type of documentation. So that whole tight governance just allows us to have the same look and feel of what we're doing to our end customers. And that's just from our operating companies. Then with the integration side, that allows us to push down, as you say, the different types of standards of room types, so all of our customers get that same consistency, and that goes all the way through to our support teams. So again, just efficiency, efficiency.
And like I mentioned, this is just the start. What do you hope to accomplish with the following iterations of the Xten-AV platform? And what would you like to see from their side with regards to how you want to take this for Ricoh?
Sahil's already aware of this. I've been working with them as a nice part of the journey. The key thing for us has been a lot of user feedback, things that I would like to see integrating. Again, it's into other software platforms. We've asked them, can they integrate into our CRM? Can they integrate into our cloud environments, Microsoft, etc.? They've taken everything on board. They've been doing an aggressive rollout plan, not just for us, but as Sahil mentioned earlier, it's almost like crowdsourcing. The more people that use it, the more people benefit from that. So for a company that can offer something quite vanilla, they've also been quite accommodating to be able to give us those finite pieces. For example, we have these operating companies, they're all multilingual, multi-currency. They've taken that on board. They developed the platform into 6 languages. We've got how many currencies now?
200.
Yeah, so it's great.
Which is pretty much all currencies.
Yeah, exactly. So it's those type of things, that type of feedback, that user journey, and they've still got a long list of roadmap items, really exciting. And obviously with the new feature of Xten, which is Xdraw, again another part of the tool that kind of automates things in a kind of reverse manner. It's really pleasing to see.
Well, I'm very happy to hear such good words from our partners.
Gentlemen, thank you for your time.
Thank you, H. Cheers.
Thank you for having us.